2 billion people scroll Instagram Reels every single month. So, if your reach has plummeted over the last year, it's not because the platform's dying. Your strategy is just stuck in the past. Between the new algorithm shifts and the updates to Reels and Stories, it is easy to feel like you are constantly playing catch up. Not to mention trying to actually make money. If you aren't monetizing the right way, you're just shouting into a void, and that void is not going to pay you for your time. But there is massive opportunity hidden in these updates if you know how to connect the dots between content, community, and commerce. Fortunately, I do know, and I'm going to let you in on all of it. By the end of this video, you will have a complete 5-step roadmap to turn your profile into a sales machine by plugging the 2026 algorithm, all the Reels and Stories updates, and Instagram Shop directly into your online storefront. Oh yeah, this is definitely not another video about trending audio. Nope, we are going into the back end of meta-verified tools and e-commerce syncing to show you exactly how to stop chasing likes and start tracking sales. Everything you thought you knew about going viral has changed. The algorithm now prioritizes connection through real engagement over literally everything else. We're talking about saves, shares, profile visits, and watch time. Those are the signals that tell Instagram that your content actually moves the needle. Another huge change is cross-surface behavior. Instagram is now tracking how people interact with you across the entire app. So if someone watches your reel, then taps your story, and ends up in your DMs, you've just built serious relationship depth. When you hit that sweet spot, the algorithm will actually boost your distribution across every surface for up to 72 hours. You're not just fighting for a spot in the feed anymore. You're staying top of mind everywhere. We also need to talk about watch time velocity because this is the new gold standard. If your content gets rewatched or shared immediately after you post, you're looking at 3 times or more amplification. This is why collection saves now carry so much more weight than likes. It tells the algorithm that your content is worth coming back to. And here's the best part for small businesses: interest micro niches. Instagram's pretty smart these days, you guys, and they're able to classify users into tiny interest clusters, which means that your content doesn't need to appeal to the masses anymore. In fact, it really shouldn't, because niche content like morning yoga for busy moms instead of just fitness is actually outperforming the generic stuff because the algorithm knows exactly who to show it to. All right, so how do you actually win with all of this? You do that by optimizing for the right things. Create guides and checklists to get those saves. Address pain points to get the shares. And invite those DMs. Use your captions to ask specific questions that start real conversations. Here's a great formula: a mix of 2 to 4 reels, 2 to 3 carousels, and daily stories. This trains the algorithm on your niche and keeps those relationship signals high. So imagine a local cafe. They post a reel called 3 Coffee Hacks for Busy Mondays. That's the value. Then they follow up with a story poll asking which hack was the favorite. That's the depth. And finally, they drop a product tag to a Monday morning bundle in their shop. And that is how you turn a viewer into a customer. And look, we are going deep into that shop strategy, so you'll definitely want to stick around for that. And okay, let's be real. I know I just hit you with the microclusters and watch time velocity like I'm auditioning for a sci-fi movie or something, but you actually really don't need to be a data scientist to win here. You just need to be faster than the skip button. Let's talk about Reels. The first big update is extended play. Forget the 60-second limit. Instagram now allows Reels up to 20 whole minutes. But you still have exactly 3 seconds to stop the scroll. If you don't give them a reason to stay right away, the algorithm assumes that your content is low value and kills the distribution. Harsh. And why does this matter? Because users can actually now personalize their own algorithms. And that means your content has to send crystal clear signals. Between your hooks, your captions, and your hashtags, you need to tell the AI, hey, I'm for the coffee lovers, or I'm for the DIY home renovators. If you're too broad, you're basically invisible. When it comes to ranking, the 2026 algorithm looks at 3 things: interest match, watch time, and early engagement. If people save or share your reel in the first hour, the AI puts it on a rocket ship. And a quick warning, stop the reposts. Low-effort, recycled clips with watermarks are getting buried. Instagram wants originality, and they want you using their in-app tools like the teleprompter or the trial Reels feature to test out your ideas. So to get you started, here is a perfect Reel format. Start with a hook like, "Stop boosting your posts right now, do this instead." Then move on to the value with a strong, quick tip that addresses a specific pain point or an interest. And close out with a call to action to your Instagram shop or a specific DM for link. Maya Angelou once said, "People will forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel." And yeah, okay, she definitely wasn't talking about a 15-second reel of you unboxing a toaster, but hey, the logic still holds. So let's make them feel something with our stories. If Reels are the first date, then stories are the long-term relationship, and Instagram loves to see it. The goal with stories? Interaction chains. If a follower taps your poll, replies to a question box, and then clicks a link, Instagram flags that as a high-intensity relationship. This signals the algorithm to put you at the very front of their story bar every single day. So use those interactive stickers because they're a direct lever to spike your reach. We're also seeing major UX updates. Instagram is testing expiring soon labels to trigger FOMO and making story shares more visible. Plus, with the new dedicated highlights tab, your profile is basically becoming like a mini website. Your highlights are no longer just archives, they are your About Us and Shop Now pages. As a business, follow this daily rhythm. Keep it real with daily behind-the-scenes content because people want to buy from people. Make it interactive with a sticker every 24 hours to keep those interaction chains active. Use product stickers to lead your followers from your story directly to your shop. And here's a bonus tip. Once you've made a sale, show it off with a follow-up story sharing a customer's real reaction to build social proof. But look, all the relationship depth in the world doesn't matter if you don't have a place to send people to actually buy. And it's also got to have a back end that's as fast as the algorithm. So I've dropped a link in the description for a Shopify free trial. Grab that now so you can sync your products directly to Instagram and follow along with this next part. Trust me, it is the missing piece of the puzzle. Let's talk making that money, honey, because in 2026, monetization isn't an afterthought. It's baked into every post. First, for the product sellers, repeat after me, direct product sales. You should be using product tags in every single reel and story. This allows your customers to go from, "Oh, that's cool," to checkout without ever leaving the app. If you're a service business, use Reels for education, stories for nurture, and DMs for conversion. In 2026, the DM is your digital closing room for bookings and custom offers. A massive game changer are clickable links in Reels for meta-verified accounts. You can now drive traffic directly to a landing page right from your content. No more check the link in my bio, hoping they'll actually check the link in your bio. The winning tactic right now is the simple funnel. Reels are for discovery or getting found. Stories are for trust or showing people that, yeah, you're the expert. The shop/DMs are for the close. And remember, niche always wins. Posting email marketing tips for Shopify sellers will always make more money than marketing tips for everyone. You want qualified buyers, not just random viewers. So let's say that you sell digital templates. What you're not going to do is simply show the file. Instead, post a reel showing a transformation, how it saved a client 10 hours a week. Save that to a results highlight. Then use your stories to share a testimonial and a product sticker to buy. It's a 24/7 sales loop that literally runs while you sleep. Whoa, did you guys just feel that? Yeah, that is the sound of it finally getting easier. You're already doing all the hard work of building a brand that people love. So now it's time to stop the manual labor and let your Shopify store do the heavy lifting. To turn your profile into a sales machine, you need to connect your Shopify storefront to your Instagram. By syncing your product catalog, every item you sell becomes shoppable content. Your prices, titles, and inventory levels stay updated in real time, so you never accidentally sell something that's out of stock. Let's set it up. Step 1. In your Shopify dashboard, connect the Facebook and Instagram sales channel. This is where you handpick which products you want available for the world to see. Step 2, submit your account for shopping approval inside Instagram's settings. Once Meta gives you the green light, your profile officially gains its Shop tab. Step 3, turn on product tagging. This is the game changer because it allows you to tag Shopify products directly in your posts, reels, and stories. Like I said, game changer. And a pro tip for you guys, don't just list products, curate them. Create collections in Shopify like bestsellers or seasonal drops and mirror them in your Instagram shop. So I'll post a reel showing a product in action, tag it from my Shopify catalog, and then add that reel to a Shop Our Best Sellers highlight. Now, every new follower has a direct path from watching my content to clicking buy. No link in bio dance required. All right, let's recap the 2026 Instagram for Business roadmap. First of all, you gotta master that algorithm. Use niche content and 3-second hooks to find your people. Double down on Reels. Drive discovery and use clickable links to move traffic. Build depth in your stories. Use interaction chains and stickers to turn viewers into buyers. And monetize with Shopify. Sync your shop and use DMs to close the deal. The tech has finally caught up with your hustle, and now you are so ready to use Instagram to boost those sales. And if you're always down to keep your business one step ahead, subscribe to Learn with Shopify for even more social media, e-commerce, and AI-powered marketing tutorials. And don't stop the momentum just yet. Click the videos on your screen right now to dive deeper into your next growth phase. My name is Sinead, and I'll see you guys in the next one.